You can't buy an iPhone X in gold today, but you can now, and at newly leaked photos of Apple's best smartphone in that prestigious color. 6 pictures of the gold iPhone X were taken and submitted to the FCC 7 months ago, reports Mac Rumors. Apple used the unreleased color in its required FCC filing, which is why we're seeing them publicly today. Of course, we never got a shot at buying this gold iPhone X 6 months ago when the phone first launched. Apple's 7th-layer color process for its flagship has been limited to a white back with a silver frame or space gray with a space gray frame. This new color appears to have a matching gold glass back and aluminum frame, sort of like the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. There are no hints in today's filing as to why the gold iPhone X was scrapped, or if it will ever see the light of day. Gold iPhone 11 expectations. The leaked photos are a mid-cycle preview of what we can expect from the iPhone 11, or iPhone 11, whatever Apple ends up calling its next phone. Apple is reportedly planning on 3 iPhone models in September. We reported on rumors that the new iPhone for 2018 will launch in more than just 2 colors. Everyone's high expectations are on a shimmer gold or blush gold option like this one. Apple's been touting the new product red iPhone 8 and 8 Plus color this week, so the timing is interesting. In this case, it probably didn't mean for the gold option to leak, but it's hard to keep things a secret when you have to tell the government.